Welcome back, guys. Marty here, and today we're playing Roblox Build a Boat with Harry Bo, aka THD Playz. He's a really good YouTuber. I think you should subscribe to him. Daniel King. I don't think he's been mentioned. I've
never been mentioned
in any of our videos. And Eden King over there. Yeah.
Okay.
And we've
in on this wonderful specification to film the video with him. It's my first time. It's Daniel King's first time. But it's not the hideous white guy's first time.
Yeah. So, THD, can you please place some jets here? Can you place some jets?
Okay, guys, so
we don't have very much time to do this.
Steven, I got wings.
THD, can you place some wind turbines down there?
Okay, so when do you want my flying things?
Yeah, we just need wind turbines. I mean, no, not wind turbines, jets.
Thanks.
Can you place them, please?
Wait, is it this one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just place them. Placing. Amen to all the people who say the word amen.
Marty, I need a chair.
Okay, I'll get you a chair. There you go. Take that one.
Where is it? Oh, thanks.
Okay, set sail.
Okay, I'm just doing some preparations so the tower that you guys are on is going to fall. So, there, now I'm safe. You guys are safe from falling all around you.
Okay.
That's okay. No, I'm not being copyrighted.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Press.
Doggy, no.
Press launch. Press launch. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no! What happened?
I don't have control anymore.
I do.
And Marty, you how are you still?
Whoever's controlling this is bad.
I have control. Now I'm not in control. Let's just. That did not work. We need to. It wasn't connected for some reason. It wasn't connected. So we gotta reconnect it, peoples. We gotta reconnect
Reset, guys.
it.
Just reset.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
I'm still alive.
Marshall,
I'm still alive.
do you want to try a different boat? Because I've got a different boat that I think that would work.
You got a different boat?
Yeah, I've got a different boat.
Okay.
Oh no, this is the wrong one. Don't get this.
That's the wrong one. Okay.
This is a quick preview of a boat that I have done with my brother.
This looks beautiful. This gun, the sentry gun.
It's not very well done at the moment, so if I go...
What does this music note
I'm
thing
kind
do?
of stuck.
Wait, I want to see what this music note does. What does it do?
Guys, I'm coming to home.
Okay.
Guys, I'm stuck.
Hey guys, I'm
Yep.
gonna jump in the head. Woo!
Hey, give me that back.
Okay. Daddy, I need a chair.
Take it from you, actually.
Oh, whoa! What is this? This looks beautiful. It looks
yeah, guys.
beautiful.
If you guys want to come into this section, like this section, specifically programmed to do certain things.
Marty.
Yes.
So I just wanted to tell the YouTubers that they can actually, if they're lucky enough, we're giving out something that they can play in real life with us.
Yeah. They gotta make sure to join. And
So
pretty soon.
Marty is organizing something that if you like and subscribe, you can actually get to play with us in real life.
Yeah.
Well, that might be later because you can't do that because YouTube rules. You're not allowed to until you're 18 or over. You're not allowed to say where you live. You're not allowed to show your face or what was the other rule? I don't remember.
And
great.
maybe if we hit, if we hit 10 mil,
Maybe when Marty reaches,
might do a face
maybe like
reveal,
100
which will probably be a
subs,
long time. So
like that will be in
just
a
please
few
subscribe.
years. Like maybe we might. If Marty gets 100 subs, eventually we will get someone to meet us in person, but that will be in a decent chunk of time.
Yeah.
Not saying when we can arrange this.
Marty.
So if you want to play with me, then just once I hit 100 subs, or if I hit it, please subscribe. Then maybe I'll be able to play with you if you really want to. Yeah. Okay. I think it's not stable. It's not stable yet.
And also, in the comment section,
I don't have a comment section, sadly.
For this channel, make sure to comment what games you'd like us to play next. Can you games that you just want Marty to play, or that you want all of us to play?
I don't have a comment section.
Oh, well then, sorry. I didn't know that.
So, just either way, maybe there is another way you can tell us what you want to play. Like, maybe if you're in one of our games, then you can tell us what to play. If you know us and you're in one of our games, you can tell us what to play. Or, yeah.
Or if you just know us in person, you can ask us. You just meet us in person, but that's going to be very unlikely that you're going to know it's us.
Yeah. Unless you recognize the voice.
If you're like joining our school or something, then you might end up meeting us.
Thank you so much, Jaden.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, now we're about to launch. I think this is gonna be our final launch, our first launch, but
Cherry on top.
final launch.
Let's
And
try
we need
it.
to hurry up.
Y guy, press it.
No.
What was that?
Ah,
I'm ready.
What is happening?
Sucks to be you guys, so I'm on my way to heaven.
guys, we have to go back. Marty, help.
No, actually, don't.
I don't, because I'm
We
surviving
need to
right
remake
now.
the boats.
Let's go.
I don't, because I'm still alive on my team.
Woo!
This is what we should be doing on a Friday.
Oh, wow!
If you look ahead, you can see me quickly running away.
I will come back to
in
you.
that little stone cabin.
I'll come to you,
I have to
Jimbo.
go.
I'll go to you, Jimbo. I think
I have to go. I'm sorry.
THD is dropping out of the video.
You don't look okay.
See ya, THD,
Okay.
in another
Guys,
video.
I have to go. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay,
well, I
bye.
think that might be it for. Yeah, I think that might be it for today's video as well. So I want you guys to make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
I have to go now. Bye.
Bye.